Good afternoon. Me too. Thank you for asking me. How are you, by the way?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastic, and thank you so much for asking. So, we are meeting for the first time, so let's start with the introduction of each other. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, why not? As you know that my name is Nurdin Khan from a vibrant state of Uttar Pradesh, district Bagpat. So if I share about my academic journey, I accomplished my higher secondary education last year. Currently, I'm pursuing my Bachelor of Arts from CCS University. So if I share about my YouTube journey, so I started this journey before 4 to 5 months something back. So since then, I'm uploading some English conversation videos and some vlog videos related to study vlog or traveling vlog or some other vlogs too. And if I talk about my English journey, I started it before 1 year back something. So you can consider that I have been learning this language since 1.5 year something. So when I was in my 12th class. So if I talk about my interest, so I like to read some non-fiction or fiction book and to talk with different people. So that's pretty much about me. Now, may I know
Thanks.
about you?
Yeah, definitely, and your introduction was very good. So, yes, as you know, I am Dev and I hail from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. But currently, I'm residing in Delhi. So, right now, I'm connecting to from the capital of India. It's New Delhi, and I have completed my graduation and Bachelor of Science in Mathematics honor from the Kanpur University. And right now, I'm pursuing my master degree, MSc, in first year. And if we
Okay.
talk about my hobbies, then I'm playing cricket. And in these days, I'm reading book because I really want to improve my communication skills. So that's why I'm reading book. Apart from that, like in my lazy times, okay. So I just want to try to connect with the interact with the new people. So that's all. And I have been learning this language more than 1 year, but I'm not very consistent. But as you mentioned in your introduction, that in the class 12 you have started learning, okay. But
Yeah.
in case of me, yeah, in the case of me, I completed my graduation. After that, I realized that it is very important language, so we should to learn it. So after that, I start learning. Earlier, I was totally depend on reading and listening, but last few months, like 3 months ago, I have started like video conversation. So far, I think I have completed more than 10 video conversation. Yeah, so that's all about me. And apart from that, if you want to know anything, so you can let me know. I'll let you know.
Yeah, why not? Definitely. If I would have something to ask you, then I definitely ask you. So, as you mentioned that you are addicted to read some books, you as a hobby you can consider. So, what kind of book do you read? Fiction or non-fiction?
Uh, both like self-help, fiction and non-fiction. So currently, I'm reading a book. Uh,
What is that?
Attitude is everything. Okay, the Jeff by Jeff Curler. So yeah, so like mostly I read self-help book because when you read the self-help books, it's really give you the confidence, and so that's why I'm trying to polishing myself. So that's why and the main purpose that we can learn something like new vocabulary, sentence structure. So that is why I'm reading in these days book. As I mentioned that.
Yeah, definitely. Even I also mentioned that I am very passionate to read some different book like fiction and non-fiction too. So those type of book I always read. Even you can see behind me, but now it is not there because before this session I was just reading that book, and that book name is Atomic Habit. Maybe you know about this because most of the person know about this book. It is very viral book you can consider because I have asked of many people and they always tell me that
Yeah,
yeah, I know about this. Yeah, hope you also know about this book. So as you mentioned,
right. I know. Yes, I don't only know about this book. I have already read it.
okay,
Okay. Uh,
yeah, sometimes it happens like whenever we watch
and if you improve
just
So if you improve, hello,
Yes, yes. Now you are audible and visible to me properly.
you know, it has been raining in Delhi since morning.
Okay.
Okay, that's why. That's why it could be the reason. Yeah.
Yeah, here was also it was raining outside since morning,
Yes, that could be the
but
reason.
now it's
Uh,
yeah, but now it is stopped.
but here it is still continue.
Okay,
It
it
is
is
still raining.
continue. Okay, now
Yeah.
no worry. Further, we can continue this session again. If we face this problem again, so then we have to wrap up this, and then we can discuss another day.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, you were saying something, I think.
Yeah, I was saying something about the book Atomic Habit. Okay, so
Yeah, yeah.
yes, so
You were telling me that you read this book, but you didn't know about properly that about this book. Am I right?
pardon?
You were saying something about this book that in terms of some educational things, but you said that you don't know about this particularly. Like as I was also mentioning that sometimes we watch some movies, but we don't know exact the name of that movie because we always
Yeah,
watched lots of movies. So if person would ask us that have you watched that movie, so we always deny. But if we watch a, you can say, trailer or any clip from that movie, then we can recognize that yeah, we have watched that movie. So it
yeah,
happens
yeah,
like if we do lots of things in terms of any field because we are
correct.
human being. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. And
So by the yes,
yeah, yeah. Please go ahead.
yeah. So by the way, how was your experience about this language? Like as you mentioned, you are learning this language, so maybe you had some another dream. That's why you are learning this language. Maybe you want to go in any field through these skills, or you are just learning this language like
Uh,
you just want to enjoy your life to talk with different people, or you have particular dream.
right now I can't say that I have a particular dream, but after learning this language, uh, I just want to explore the world.
Okay.
Okay, suppose I have to visit. Yeah, suppose I have to visit the Hyderabad out of station, and there you don't know the native language. So that's why I'm also learning. And another fact that it's also it's not only the language. Okay, it's open the opportunity for your career, for your growth anywhere. Like if you are
Yeah.
working in profession, if you are individually working, if you are doing any business, everywhere is very important. So that is very essential and global language. So that is why I'm learning. And another part that if you can speak English like confidently, then it boosts your confidence and you can do everything. Okay, and sometimes you are very educated and you are very talented and you are very a good person, but if you are lacking with the communication skills, okay, if you don't have the good communication skills, if you are not able to articulate your thought, so that's at that time you will realize that okay, I'm nothing, I'm nobody. But even actually you are doing everything in proper way, but if you are not able to articulate your thoughts and if you're not able to present your like words to anyone, so that's the reason I'm learning this language. Apart from that, I'm also thinking for the YouTube channel, but I haven't created. But you are doing very right thing because you realized very earlier, because right now you are doing your graduation and you are doing such kind of things. It's really very really good because at the time of when I was doing graduation, then I was not aware of that language and anything. When I especially come for the rural village. Okay,
Yeah,
so
I am also.
okay,
Oh
so
no, you are
you can
ruler. Yeah.
yeah, so yeah, you can understand that there is no any craze for that. Okay, everyone spend their time here and there with friends. Okay, but when I came to Delhi, okay, when I came to Delhi, then I went to the interview. Uh, then I went to for the interview. Then I realized that okay, oh my God, I was supposing that okay, I have good knowledge and and I can do anything. But when I rejected first time, two time, three time, four time, then I realized that okay, no, no, you have to learn this. So that's why I'm learning. Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice that you are learning this language, and it is good. Definitely, one day you will become fluent in this language, and now you are good enough. Even you can speak with confidently, and you whatever you have in your mind, you can express your every thought, and you are not stuck. You can say, and your English is very good.
Thanks for your compliment, but you are also doing fantastic. But right now you have a YouTube channel. So how is your going YouTube channel right now? How many subscribers you have?
Yeah, if I talk about my YouTube channel, it's going well these days because I'm just uploading my videos continuously. But earlier days, I was unable to upload one video in 2 days, something in a week, something sometimes. So it wasn't quite good earlier days because of my study. So as I didn't mention, but now let me mention first. So I joined a library, so where I study some English grammar or some other subject too, so that's why I was unable to take every day a single session. So whenever I got time, then I got one session. I took one session or two session in a day. Like at Sunday, sometimes I took 2 to 3 session because of my friends. And one of my friend, he was coming with me in at Sunday. I'm talking about last Sunday. So that's why that time I thought that I should take one session that time, and then I took two sessions. So since then I'm just continue. Before that I wasn't continue at all.
Yeah, when you see improvement always give you the encouragement. Okay, so if you're
Yeah,
getting improvement, then you can automatically do everything. So that's the book in Atomic Habit. It also teaches the same things. If you're getting the result, then it pushes to do again and again. So that's why
yeah,
I think
definitely.
so. Because right now you are speaking well, and that's why you are getting yourself, you are getting the improvement in yourself. So that is why you are very enthusiastic and you are very interesting in that. Okay, so that to take one more. So
Yeah,
that's the
yeah,
thing. So
definitely.
yeah. So do
Yeah,
you live
and
with your family?
yeah, I live with my family. I don't go anywhere to for just study purpose. Actually, I joined a library, so I always go there in daily basis, but I spend my whole night or some hours in morning to evening time at my home. I just
Okay.
spend my 5 to 6 hour in library in daily basis. So it
Yeah,
is
but
very far from to me, but I'll always take almost 8 to 9 hour just for spending there.
yeah, but but in this age, you have the very clear mindset, and you are doing such kind of activities. It's uh, it's very inspiring to other one because right now, in these days there are so many distractions, and
Yeah,
you
you
are
are right.
the but in this age, you are just only you are in your graduation, and so you are in first year or second year. You probably
I
in the
gave
second
my
year.
first year. I gave my first
First.
year exam now,
Okay,
and
so
just I'm
right,
waiting for my result.
right. So you will turn into the second year, right?
Yeah,
From the okay, yeah. So yeah, that's very good, and keep going like this. Definitely
yeah,
will improve your YouTube channel as well.
yeah,
So how many video
definitely.
have posted? So how many video have posted so far?
I have posted more than 200 videos, but all videos were not conversation videos. I
Okay,
had
solo
only
videos.
30 sessions, yeah. Solo videos and some vlog videos and shorts videos also were there. Some science shorts also are there. So all type of videos are not, you can say, particular like conversation videos. I had only 30 or 35 conversation something with all of people, even from English Yari too. I uploaded more
Oh,
than 3 videos from English Yari.
okay.
I
So
had such.
did you join the English Harry?
Yeah, I had subscription, but that time when I took subscription, I wasn't fluent or I wasn't enough to speak this language. So I was just listening
Okay.
to them, whatever. Actually, our internet is not stable
How
now.
many?
Just now, I think you are.